I'm so glad you landed on my channel. I talk about learning to play the guitar from scratch. I also teach you how to play the easiest beginner songs out there every single week. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. If you are looking for the easiest Christmas songs to learn right now, so you can show your family and friends how amazing you are at guitar on the happiest day of the year, let me take you on that journey. Let's get started right now. I work with hundreds of students each week, helping them to learn the guitar. I also have published tutorial books, online courses, and teach students in private. If you'd like to know more about this, I'll be giving you more details at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to play the first string open 3 times, and then another 3 times. Then we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 1st string, and then the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then a 1st string open. Then we're going to move to the 1st fret on the 1st string, and we're going to play this 5 times. And then a 1st string open 5 times. Then we're going to play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then 1st string open, and then back to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And then we're going to play the 1st string open 3 times, 3 times again, and then the 3rd fret of the 1st string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the 1st string open. We're going to play the 1st fret on the 1st string 5 times, and then the open 1st string 4 times, and then the 3rd fret of the 1st string twice, then the 1st fret of the 1st string, then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the 1st fret of the 2nd string. We're going to start off with the 3rd string open, and then we're going to play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then back to the open 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then we're going to play the same again. So back to the 3rd string open, and then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then back to the open. and then 2nd fret of the 4th string. And we're going to jump to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and we're going to play that twice, and then an open 2nd string, and then the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and that's twice, and then an open 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and that is twice, and then to the 1st fret of the 2nd string, then open 2nd string, and then back to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, then open 3rd string, then 2nd fret, back to the open, and then 2nd fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, twice, 1st fret 2nd string, open 2nd string, 2nd fret 3rd string, open 3rd string, and back onto the 2nd fret, back to open, and then 2nd fret of the 4th string. Then we're going to go to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, twice, and then 1st fret on the 1st string, then back to the 3rd fret 2nd string, and then open 2nd string, 1st fret 2nd string, and then the 1st string open, 1st fret 2nd string, open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 4th, open 3rd string, and then 3rd fret of the 4th string, open 4th string, and then 3rd fret of the 5th string. Please comment below and let me know how you are getting on and what questions you have. Please check out my other videos on learning how to play Hot Cross Buns, Old MacDonald Had a Farm and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We're going to play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then open 2nd string, the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then back to the 3rd fret, and we're going to play that 3 times. And then we're going to move to the 1st string open, then the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and then to the 3rd fret, and we're going to play that twice. And then we're going to play the 2nd string open, and then the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string 3 times. And then the 1st string open, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then the 1st fret of the 2nd string twice. So from the beginning. Okay, so the next part, open 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 3rd string open 2nd string, and then 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then we're going to play the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then to the 5th fret of the 4th string. Now you know exactly how to play 3 Christmas songs for everyone to sing along to. I'm very proud of you and encourage you to keep learning. I have a free online guitar course that will keep you progressing and learning more awesome songs. The link is below. Also, if you want to join the David Aldridge Guitar School family and meet other people just like you, I have a secret Facebook group where I share up-to-date guitar advice and help you navigate this sometimes tricky starting point. The link is below, and Merry Christmas.